channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my DIY at-home chai latte. If you guys are new around here, my name is Becca. I am a registered dietitian and I make lots of videos here on my channel about nutrition, health, wellness, lifestyle, intuitive eating, lots of fun stuff. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing this recipe for a chai latte with you. If you guys follow me on Instagram, not too long ago, I was saying how I've developed this obsession for chai tea lattes. Maybe it's because it's fall, I don't know. I've never been a big pumpkin spice latte fan, but I do love the lightly sweet chai latte from Starbucks. You can order a lightly sweet one, and they are so good. They are just creamy and hot and delicious and just the perfect amount of sweetness in my opinion. However, it can get real expensive if you want to drink those all the time. So I was like, okay, I need to learn how to make these myself at home. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing you a pretty quick and easy way to whip these up on your own. They are hot and creamy and delicious, just like the ones from Starbucks, and also nice and frothy, which just makes it such a nice at-home treat. But it's seriously so easy to make, and I'm going to share with you guys how I throw mine together. So first things first, I'm gonna boil some water for tea because after all, chai tea's base is black tea with a bunch of yummy spices. Speaking of black tea with spices, this is actually the one that I'm using. It's just a chai tea blend. You can even buy chai tea latte mix that's already made, but this is just what I like to use because it's kind of a shortcut, but not quite. I just like that I can control the sweetness when I make it myself, but it's not totally homemade, so still pretty efficient. So I'm just adding the hot water to my tea bag, and then when it's all done steeping, it will look something like this. I usually let it steep for the full 6 minutes because I really want the flavor and especially all those spices like cinnamon and ginger to really get bold so I can taste it in the latte when it's all done. So then I'm just going to take that boiled tea or steeped tea and pop it into a saucepan and add whatever milk you want. I've been loving this cashew milk for a lighter version, and then if I want it really creamy, I will use whole milk. And I'm just going to add this in. I totally eyeballed it, but if I had to guess, it would probably be around 4 ounces, half a cup, something like that, kind of just doubling the tea. And then I'm just adding a splash of vanilla. Again, I just eyeballed it. Just kind of have fun with it. And then I'm also going to add in some maple syrup as well. Again, just a dash. And I do add more than what is shown here, but it was kind of hard to film and pour. I was afraid I was going to dump the whole bottle in. But when you see those little bubbles around the edges, you know it's plenty hot and ready to come off. But before we do that, the most important part is just frothing it up. I got this little milk frother off of Amazon. It was very inexpensive. It was for sure under $10, I think. I'll try and link it down below, but this is what gives it that really nice frothy kind of finish and what makes it just so yummy. And this is what it looks like, so good. So then I'm just gonna pour it back into that mug where we steeped our tea earlier. And then I do like to top mine off with a little bit of cinnamon. So I am just going to sprinkle a little bit of that on, and once that's on, you are all finished, ready to go, ready to sip on it. It's seriously so good. So that is it for my chai tea latte recipe. I hope that you guys give it a try. I seriously am so obsessed. I want to drink them all the time, but I am limiting myself to one a day because of the caffeine content, and I am pregnant and I don't drink coffee, so this has kind of been my coffee hot drink replacement, and it's been honestly really nice because I have really not enjoyed coffee while pregnant, which is so funny because normally I love coffee. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope it gave you a little bit of cozy fall inspiration, and then I really hope that you guys will try the recipe out. But yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and you are new around here. And of course, I would love for you to follow me on Instagram as well so we can hang out on there. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. So baby,